an episode of the world's most... The most annoying sounds in the world.
Hi, Tom.
Yes.
Wow. Now think of that. Now think of that, but it going on for like a billion times, okay?
Well, stop thinking.
Now, okay?
Me not working hard. Yeah, right, picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive, I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, that's right.